yeah, I can definitely see from the view of this that somebody has cheated you. There has been a deception. So I see that somebody basically was involved in a third-party situation, or this person just kind of, they took advantage or benefits from you and then they left. I see that somebody was not showing you the real self. So with the Magician, the Five of Pentacles and the Three of Swords, I see that this person was showing something else to you, but they were completely something different. Some of you, this could be an extramarital affair if you're already married. And if you're single, then I see that your person was dating somebody. I definitely see a third-party situation here, and I see that somebody has backstabbed you, all right? What is up? There is so much disappointment from the get-go in the reading. Like somebody has been treating you real bad. What is Leo doing these days? What is Leo's energy towards this? Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. I see things are moving for you. I see that this energy has been very stagnant. You really felt that you were not able to move on because you kept on waiting for something, or you were just waiting for a closure, or you were waiting for something. I see your life has been very down for some months. Now this could be 3 to 5 months, or 3 to 5 weeks, or 3-5 can be a significant number here. I see that you have been manifesting a new beginning, a new change. These days it's very difficult. It's like, you are in a very bad position, but then you still are not losing hope, and you're looking forward to that silver lining and that new bright day in your life, and that is what is coming for you. So the Wheel of Fortune, I see that things are going to turn for you, all right? Whatever is not working for you right now is going to work for you, and things are going to become better for you from here on. And I see that you guys are working towards something new. It could be a new career opportunity, could be a new relationship, whatever it is, that whatever newness that you have been manifesting in your life for some time. Some of you might be using law of attraction or whatever. The newness that you're manifesting in your life, I say universe is finally blessing you that. With the Ace of Cups, I definitely see a new beginning. So your past person and the past connection has been a history now, and you are trying to move forward because whoever you were dealing with, this person was nothing but disappointment. They disappointed you a lot. They were just, not making a move towards you. There was no passion. There was things just not moving on. There was a lot of stagnation. And now you're finally cutting yourself from this situation and moving on. Yeah, see, just when I said about stagnation, the Eight of Swords popped up. I see things have been really, really, really stagnant for you guys. Like, this has been going on for some time. This person really, I see, maybe something came out about them with the Tower card, or it's just that the connection just broke off. You could not even do much about it. Sometimes things are just out of the control. You did not wanted this connection to break, but you could not do much about it because the foundation was very weak. Things were hidden from you, and then nothing could save it. Basically, you tried to save. I see that you might have done a lot to save this connection, but you could not. So it's like a forced ending that happened, which was very painful, and it kept you stuck for some time. But now I see things moving in. All right. Present energy for Leo. Judgment card. You're waiting for some sort of decision. I see there might be some closure issues. You are trying to move on, but you also want a communication from this person because you feel that this person should come in and tell you what happened exactly. Like, you want clarification from this person, and that is something which keeps pulling you back. You are trying to move forward, things are moving forward, but then it's like 1 step forward and 2 step back kind of situation. So this closure that has not happened, or maybe this person ghosted you, because of that you're not able to move on completely, and you're seeking that closure from this person. What happened here in the past? Nine of Pentacles. There was a lot of love between you and them. This person really adored you. It could have been one of those connections where this other person comes into your life forcefully, and they make you date them, they make you get into relationship with them, and then they leave. Like, this person was the one who initiated everything, and then they started acting weird. Some of you, maybe this person was very attracted to you, so this could have been a friends with benefits situation, or it was very casual from there. Like, they made you get involved, but they never got involved. That kind of a thing. They were really hiding things from you, that's for sure. This person never really showed you their true side in the past. Ace of Pentacles. I see that you are healing finally and moving on. Some of you very, very focused on your money these days, or career, or you're trying to lay a foundation for yourself in your business or career or whatever, or in your family life. I don't know what you're working on, but whatever you're working on, it is going to give you result. All right, whatever you're sowing here with the Ace of Pentacles is going to become the Seven of Pentacles. It's going to give you very good returns. Some of you might be investing money, and that's going to give you very good returns. Or otherwise, I just see that you're healing, you're moving on. This has been a very draining energy for you. Some of you, this was very, very major. This ending was very major. We have the Tower and the Death card, which is the worst possible combination when it comes to a relationship. Something was just forcefully broken and you could not do much about it. And that is very painful. When you see things crumbling in front of your eyes and you cannot do much, that's what it is. You have literally seen the relationship come down in front of you. You could not do much to save it. Even if you did it, it just made the situation worse. Maybe some of you tried to fix it, and the more you tried, the more this person drifted away from you. And yeah, some of you definitely see this was, maybe this person was just trying to keep it very casual with you. You were seeking a commitment, but they were keeping it very casual. And that hurts you. Okay, so what is the future energy for Leo here? Five of Wands. Some of you feel very conflicted on this person. You know, after this situation, it's very difficult for you to open yourself up again to love. Sometimes you feel that you will never be able to open yourself up to love ever in life, because you feel that you have been betrayed in such a bad way that it is very difficult for you to open your heart again. So your heart chakra is blocked these days. Some of you might be having a person on your mind, could be an earth sign, could be any sign for that matter. But it's like you want to talk to this person. This could be a new person, but then because of the drama that has happened in your past, you keep holding yourself back because you cannot trust anybody now. And you do not want to make an impulsive decision, or you do not want to get into a drama basically. Some of you, you know that you want to approach somebody and you really like this person. There's a lot of emotions involved, but you keep on holding yourself back. Okay, give me some energy about this person that the Leo is connecting. Ooh, Nine of Swords. Somebody is having sleepless nights over you. This is the person who blocked you. I see some deleting, blocking happened here. Somebody deleted or blocked you, but this person is now getting very paranoid over you. They're not able to sleep, and this person is fighting their odds, fighting their self to reach to you. Like this person is writing and deleting messages kind of thing. This person wants to communicate with you, but then they are also holding themselves back because they kind of know what they did to you, right? So maybe that is why they're kind of ashamed to come towards you. King of Swords. Yeah, I see both of you not speaking to each other. However, this person wants to fix the situation. Could be a Sagittarius for some of you, could be Aquarius as well. Somebody wants to step in and fix the situation with you, but they know what they did to you, so that is why they don't know how to approach. And you, my Leo, I see that you're trying to fix your life. You're trying to balance your life. I see this person has completely disbalanced your life in past few months, and now you're trying to gain back your emotional control. You're trying to, balance your own self. And some of you, you have been overburdening yourself with a lot of things. Maybe in career, you're trying to do so many things, or maybe in your personal life, in this relationship, you were the one who was carrying the whole burden of the connection. Your message is to come out of this toxic cycle. When you know something is toxic, unburden yourself and come out of it. Do not try to carry burden of other people's expectations, all right? Just when I said it was 11-11, wow. What else? Queen of Pentacles. Keep doing you. Keep focusing on yourself. I definitely see a very healing energy, very divine energy here with the Star and the Queen of Pentacles. It's like universe is literally hand-holding you, and it is showing you the way. And it is also telling you that this person or the situation that happened in your past, it was a lesson, and it was for you to learn a lesson and grow in your life. The biggest achievements in your life, the biggest turning points of your life comes from the biggest disappointment in your life. Whenever you go through something really major, that's when you up level in life. So I see that definitely a death has happened to your situation, like something really died inside of you, but you are also coming out really strong, like a star. You're going to shine like a star again. And with the Queen of Pentacles, I see you are going to achieve that balance in your life. So yeah, whatever messed up, it's going to restore really, really well. Like things are going to become only better from here. And when it comes to love, again, I see commitment. Again, the Empress. Some of you, I definitely see a very fulfilling relationship, very balanced and very divine relationship coming in for you. And that is why maybe some of you had to let go this fuck boy or fuck girl from your life, because this person could never behave like this. So they had to go. Whatever has shifted in your life, try to let it go and do not try to go back to your old cycle. What else? And I anyway see that you're trying, you're trying to move on in your life, and I see that you're trying to leave anything or everything that is not serving you. So you are already doing that for yourself. You are also convincing yourself that this growth is good for you, though it is a little painful right now, but it is mandatory for you to grow and you have to leave it behind. So yeah, every day you kind of have these talks with yourself that, Leo, I need to leave this behind. Like, I really need to leave this behind. This is for my own good. Keep doing that. So yeah, you are very, very focused on your healing. You know, Eight of Cups is again a spiritual journey. You are focused on your healing, your spiritual journey. Keep doing that. It is going to bring in so much of abundance and stability in your life. Five of Cups. See, do not try to go back, and do not try to go back to a breadcrumber who did not treat you well, or do not try to go back to somebody who never, you know, recognize your worth. You are a motherfucking Empress, and this person was treating you like Five of Cups. Fuck them. All right. I see that you are very, very focused on yourself, and it is actually giving you very good returns, and you are manifesting so much of goodness in your life. Just go for that. Like, when you manifest something, when universe gives it to you, accept it. Do not try to block your abundance. All right, you are being asked to keep focusing on the forward journey and do not try to look back. You have asked for a new beginning. Universe is giving it to you. Everything, this abundance and healing, everything is on the other side of the road, and you have to take this leap. Take this leap of faith. Take this risk. These new beginnings, these big changes are all happening for you. Universe is already directing everything for you. You manifested it, and you are getting it now. Whatever you manifested, it's coming in. This abundance, this new relationship. Some of you really had to deal with this fuckboy so that you will realize that what true love looks like. Or this fuck girl, to know what can an Empress provide you. So it's like sometimes you have to kiss a few frogs to meet the Emperor or the Empress, all right? And this was just a frog. Six of Cups. I see, however, you know, when you try to move on and you're doing good for yourself, definitely a past person tries to poke back their nose in your life. Somebody is going to do that. Keep ignoring them. With the Two of Pentacles, I see that you will be making a decision in your life very soon. Somebody who was very wishy-washy, they ignored your texts, they ignored your messages, they will try to come back. What's the point? You are already healing and manifesting this very beautiful relationship in your life, and universe is giving it to you. So everything that you asked for, the stability, this commitment is coming in. But this is a new person. You have to let go. See, again, let go. If somebody did not treat you well, let go. You will be having a choice. Make a wise choice. Page of Wands. See? So yeah, I definitely see a new connection coming in. Someone very passionate coming into your life, and they are going to add a lot of passion to your life as well. So be ready for this amazing journey. Be ready for these big shifts in your life, Leo. Give me a message for Leo, please. Wedding, what the fuck? And you deserve love. See, you do not believe this. The problem is that you do not believe. After whatever has happened in your life, you're not believing love. This is what universe is making happen for you. Ten of Cups is again love. Empress is again love. Star card is also beginning of a very stable connection. This is what you're manifesting and it's coming in. Whatever you wanted, universe is granting you. Just be open to receive now. You have been manifesting. Now universe is going to give it to you. Be open to receive. Do not block your abundance, Leo. All right. So that was a very beautiful reading. I think you got the best reading for this week. And yeah, all the very best. And keep in mind that time can be fluid. Of course, you will not get married to somebody in a week's time, because this is all going to happen in the future. From now on, try to lay foundation for it. All right. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the reading, in your next reading. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.